Okay, so we saw before how we navigated to a crypto screen. So in that way, we need just to pass the ID of the crypto to the detail screen. So how we can do that? So to do that, if you remember, we were using navigation.navigate and detail. And with this detail, you just need to pass the parameter which you want to have. So for example, I want to name a crypto ID, or you can just say ID. So the ID must have a value. So let's say, for example, 123, something like that. So I want this ID to receive it in the detail screen. So for that, let's go to the detail screen. So in detail screen, you remember we have again a screen with some function, and this function, it has like you can pass some parameters exactly on the home screen. If you remember, I am passing something called navigation. So for that, we are going to do the same thing. So I will say here that I will have detail screen, and here we can have something called route. So this route is also reserved word, so you can use it as well to receive the data which are coming to this screen. So I will say here constant will be ID, let's say, and this ID will be route dot and then params. You see, you have to define this, and then dot ID. So it's exactly the same ID which you have defined here. So I defined here for the navigation, I want to pass ID. So we save. Of course, we have here an error. We are going to fix it later. So we save. Okay, we still have here detail screen because I have here the detail screen as hard coded. So let's replace this detail screen with that ID. So I will put here, instead of detail screen, I will put the ID itself. So when I go back, I click, I have here 123, and it's exactly the ID which I passed here. So we have here like some error. We fixed it, if you remember, in the way when we said that use the route and any, something like that. We did the same with the navigation. So of course you need to have the types, but I told you we are going to fix that later. So here we have now the route, or the parameter is coming from the home screen. So for that, I need as well to pass the real crypto ID. So I can say that we have open crypto detail. I can pass a parameter to it. Okay, I have here ID, let's say, and this ID can be a string, let's say like that. And now this ID, or this open crypto detail where I am calling it, I need to pass exactly the item.id. So if you remember, for every item we have ID, name and price. So I will say here item.id. It's in that way very simple. So let's go back to the home screen, and again detail. Okay, I'm still getting 123 because I didn't say here what I want to pass. So if you remember, I passed this parameter, so I'm going to use this parameter instead of this 123. So when we save, go back, and then Bitcoin is 1, Ethereum is 2, Solana is 3, exactly as those ID. So let's give like this ID, for example, to Solana. I will press and I will get this 5 times. It's exactly how you define your data. So in that way, when I click on any crypto, I have the ID here. So based on the ID, I can display the detail of that crypto by calling some specific API from our backend, as we will see later.